In this video, I'm going to show you how to title your presentation slides in Canva. Here I have this presentation. It has 3 slides, and I want to give each of them a title. Instead of page 1, page 2, and page 3, as you can see the tooltip that appears above it, I want to give it a custom name, such as this is the introduction. So just click on the 3 dots, and then click on Add Page Title. It's next to this. So you can click on that, and then you'll be able to edit it right here. I'm gonna name this introduction. You can also change it by just clicking over here at the name. If your device is big enough or has a big screen, then you'll be able to see this name right here, and then just click on it, and you'll be able to edit it from here. So you can just type in introduction from here, and you can do that for the same for the other slides as well. So I'm gonna call this summary, and then you can click away to save it. And this as well, I'm gonna just call this to begin, and that's it. That's how you can add a title to your presentation slides in your Canva presentation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.